Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee is one man who has been the pride of country for years, and with the honor conferred on him after growing cause for doing so, every Indian and the BJP in specific has been ecstatic. On a day when the Bharat Ratna for Vajpayee is a reality, a look at the saffron icon and what people of his ilk think of him. 2014 was a special year. The Narendra Modi-led BJP was voted to power with a resounding mandate, and people had one wish from this party. That was to bestow upon Atal Bihari Vajpayee the honor of Bharat Ratna. BJP this year made it known that if they make the cut in the poll battle, they would ensure that a man who laid the foundation of the modern day BJP would get the honor. Last December, the honor was announced, and today the President of India reached his home to declare him a Ratna of the country, which means a gem in English. After the Gujarat riot in 2002, Vajpayee, reacting to criticism of Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, had famously said, "Raj Dharam ka palan karna chahiye." While Modi, now the PM of the country, himself says his aura is awe-inspiring.
अटल जी का जीवन राष्ट्र को समर्पित रहा। वो पल पल राष्ट्र के लिए जिए, राष्ट्र के लिए सोचते रहे, और हिंदुस्तान में मेरे जैसे करोड़ों ऐसे कार्यकर्ता हैं जिनके जीवन में वाजपेयी जी एक प्रेरणा है। आने वाली पीढ़ियों को भी उनकी प्रेरणा मिलती रहेगी। मैं भारत रत्न सम्मान पाने वाले वाजपेयी जी के जीवन हमें सदा सर्वदा प्रेरणा देता रहे, मार्गदर्शन देता रहे, यही प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता रहूंगा।
Vajpayee was the first person associated with the RSS to become the Prime Minister. Now the Modi is one with the same credentials. Vajpayee's career saw various ups and downs in the political spanning 5 decades starting from the early 50s. Vajpayee was mentored by Jan Sangh stalwarts Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Rajnath Singh earlier in the day tweeted, "It is a moment of pride and happiness that Bharat Ratna will be conferred upon Sri Atalji today. He is loved and admired by everyone. Atalji's name evokes a sense of respect and reverence in every heart."
The Honourable President Shri Pranab Mukherjee has conferred upon the highest civilian honour of Bharat Ratna on Shri Vajpayee. The ceremony was held by the Rashtrapati Bhavan at Shri Vajpayee's residence because he doesn't go out of his house on account of health reasons.
शुद्धता कैसे रखना, राजनीतिक जीवन में जनता की सेवा कैसे करना, हम सब के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि आज अटल जी को सम्मानित किया जा रहा है, और हम सब भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनको लंबी आयु और स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रखें।
सुखद क्षण है। लखनऊ ही नहीं, पूरा देश इस सुखद क्षण की अनुभूति कर रहा है। वर्षों तक लखनऊ से सांसद रहे हैं। हम सब कार्यकर्ताओं को उनके साथ काम करने का भी अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। ये हमारा सौभाग्य है। भारत का गौरव है, और भारत के इस गौरव को आज जो सम्मान प्रदान किया जा रहा है वो अपने आप में एक सुखद अनुभूति पैदा करता है। हम चाहते हैं कि वो शीघ्र स्वस्थ हों।
Powered by NNIS.